guys. So I decided to do a quick mukbang over here at the Westin Hotel, eating breakfast. Alright you guys, so right now I'm just showing you what the plate is looking like, because once I position the camera, you won't be able to get a good view of the plate, so here you go. And right here, you guys, is a fruit cup, which more than likely I'm not going to eat. And bagel with cream cheese, some toast, toasted bagel with cream cheese. We got sausage, we got bacon, and some eggs. And on the bagel, I went ahead and put some of the cream cheese as mentioned before. Yes, here we go.
Thank you.
Here you go, sweetie. Welcome.
Now you need some fresh
The eggs are pretty good.
You can put it in there.
Like a sandwich.
You don't want me to get you no more? I know you're not going to finish that cold. Yeah.
And I'm drinking some hot coffee with like.
Get you? So you want cereal?
Oh yeah, what the plate is looking like.
You gotta go at least twice. Make the buffet worth it.
You gonna go up? Round two?
Yeah, you got to.
My camera is trying to adjust the lighting, you guys. Use some bacon in there.
Hey, that's butter. Should have put in your toast.
The only thing I had to do is add a little salt and pepper to my eggs.
That's too much butter. You probably won't like it. That's too much butter. Good. Toast.
Now, although I opted to get my meal off of the buffet, I don't think I'll be going up for a second round. This is very satisfying right here. What I have in front of me. I am going to try to finish everything that's on this plate so I don't waste it, but we'll see. I'm just adding some stuff. And I do a thumbnail, so let me see. Excuse me. Then I had them. Yes, thank you.
So he's done with this one, right?
Pour a little more coffee. And I hope you guys can hear me good in the recording. There are several people out here, or down here I should say, eating breakfast, so that needs some sweet, and I'm going to add to that coffee. You guys, I hope that you make sure to tune into my other videos that I'm going to be posting during my stay here. I have a variety of videos actually that's going to be coming up for you guys. Just stay tuned.
Somebody switched the whole milk and the skim milk. Somebody switched the whole milk and the skim milk.
You guys, if you like your coffee hot, this is definitely the place to be. I love my stuff. I love everything hot when I get it. This coffee right here is really hot. So we get 2 thumbs up for that one.
There's milk in there. Be careful.
Babe, this coffee is nice and hot. This one that's in the pot, really good.
No, seriously. It looks like somebody switched the skim milk with the whole milk. I got the one that said whole milk. It looked like water. But I got the skim milk and it looked like milk. Thank you.
So did you correct it?
I mentioned it, but I don't know. Definitely skim milk.
You guys, I'm just doing, I keep like showing it to the camera because I don't know what thumbnail I'm going to be using for today's video, so bear with me. You can go, you guys. Anybody thinking about coming to the Westin Hotel over here in Hilton Head? If you are big on breakfast, I definitely recommend you guys coming here. Really good.
Thank you very much. Are you done here, hon?
I know one of the things that I look at when I am staying at a hotel is whether they offer breakfast. And I love me hot breakfast, so and they have a lot of food options available with it. Now, after this, I might end up in the gym because this is crazy. You guys won't believe it, but I haven't eaten a bagel since the last video I did from Dunkin' Donuts, so it's been some months. I've been craving this. Also, I didn't show you guys this, but they did bring me a cup of water as well to go with the breakfast. Excuse me now. I don't know how loud it was. Anyway, you guys, I am done eating. I'm going to show you what's left on this plate. Hold on a second. Just want y'all to know I'm kind of looking crazy out here with the camera out while I'm eating. And I almost spilled it. Thank God it didn't. People are looking at me, probably wondering what's going on. But anyway, you guys, thank you for viewing today's video. This is what I have left on the plate. So, as you can see, I ate it all. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.